Hi, I'm Ben with From Sinks to Sewers, and this is my daughter, and what we're going to show you today is how to build a water balloon filling station. Alright, look in the comments and I'll give a description on the parts used and everything like that. You can buy all these parts anywhere you want. I decided to buy mine from Lowe's because they do support the military and veterans all the time by providing us a 10% discount, and it's greatly appreciated from you guys. Anyway, let me show you guys how to do this. I decided to go with screw together fittings and everything just because it's a little bit easier to use, even though it's a little bit more expensive.
So Dad, I got a question.
What is that?
How do you do this at work?
No, I do not do this at work, sweetie.
Then what do you do at work if you don't do this?
I don't do any more plumbing. I do sewer inspections, drain cleaning, and sectional point repairs.
What's sectional point repairs?
That's like, so like, let's say you have a broken pipe and what you do is you, and I could go in there and I could fix that broken pipe through a clean out without having to dig anything up and make a permanent repair. Okay?
How do you do the cleanup?
The clean out? Oh, that's another story right there, but I can do it. Okay? So just to save time, I had all this pre-assembled, and if you wanted to, you could just zip tie this straight to like a patio or whatever, or you could just get a simple 2x4 board and then put some hooks, put it on a chain link fence. All right, and then when you do this,
hang on, Dad, I got another question.
Go ahead,
How much
sweetie.
did all this cost?
I think this was maybe about 20 bucks to build this. Okay. All right, so you're gonna do this drilling. Are you sure you can do this?
I'll try.
All right, come on over here. No pressure. Okay, you're gonna hold this. Here.
And then you just insert in.
I want you to press the trigger. Go ahead. Oh, okay, right there. Good job. Yep, and then we got this one over here. I'm gonna hold it, and then you press it through. Okay, there we go.
I think this one's a little loose.
Is that one loose? Let me see about this one. Okay, I think that one's good. Okay, so now, just to give you guys a quick demonstration on this. So normally this will get put up on like a chain link fence or something like that. Okay, Serena, you got to get the water, turn the water hose on, and make sure you leave it on this time. Okay?
Ready?
Go ahead, go for it.
Leaking?
No, I think it's good. You might have a little bit of leaks. Okay, come on. So when you put it on, just put it on like that.
And then
Here.
just roll.
Yeah. And then there you go.
Then tie it up and then whoop-de-doo.
Yep. Anyway, hey, thanks a lot for watching. Feel free to like and share the video. Once again, the description of the materials will be in the comments section or the description of the video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.